Look, let's face it, if you're still spending money on alkaline AA or AAA batteries, you are definitely wasting money and hurting the environment. A better way is to use rechargeable batteries. So I was sent this charger and the cord to go ahead and tell you about it, and I've been playing around with it for about a week and a half now. I forget exactly when it came in. These are POWEROWL batteries. That is the brand name of the charger as well as the brand name of the battery. This is a smart charger with 8 bays for both AA and AAA battery, and again, the brand is POWEROWL. They sent this to me, so you're aware of that. But I'm very pleased with it, and I would definitely buy another one of these if I needed it. The way this thing works is on the end of it there is a USB-C port. I'm going to plug that in. This is the cord it gave you, but you can use a different cord. And then a USB-A on this end, and I'm just going to go ahead and plug it into this. The block does not come with it, so you can plug it into a PC or a power block or an outlet or a nightstand with a USB-A in it, whatever you want. But you got to plug that in. You're going to have to come with that, but that's okay. And here we go. I've been charging them for a while. There we go. They're all red for the moment. In about 4 or 5 minutes, it'll go ahead and turn green. They're just kind of testing. It is a smart charger, so it will go ahead and check them, test them, let you know what's good. It'll blink, obviously, if it's wrong. If I take one out, it just immediately turns green. So now I can go ahead and use this. These batteries, let's talk about these batteries real quick. These are AA. These are nickel metal hydride. It can also charge. It can only charge nickel metal hydride and NiCad batteries. And again, it can do AA or it can do AAA. So I'm going to go ahead, and it's a smart charger, so you don't need that double charging pairs. I'm going to take a AAA battery, and I'm going to plug it in there, and I'm going to push it down the bottom. So the AA's go all the way down to this charging little spring. The AAA's go down to the inside charging spring. And there we go. You can see it is red right now. So this one is charging. These two are empty, and the rest are charging. You don't have to worry about even battery pairs anymore. It works just fine. Let's talk about the batteries themselves. I like the look of them. They are obviously little POWEROWL right there. They're black. They are 28 milliamps, so this is a kind of a high capacity battery charger. These things work great. I know that a lot of things nowadays in your house probably have independent chargers, but you still have things like remotes that will definitely use a AA or a AAA battery, and obviously Xbox controller. I have been using these batteries in my Xbox controller for about a week and a half now. Still working great. I play a couple hours every day. These things are really powerhouses. I charge them up and they're ready to go. My son's been using a couple of these, and then I've kind of had it unplugged for the last 3 or 4 days. So eventually it will all pick right back up. But these work really, really well. It's good to just kind of set them around, charge them all up. Now, the instructions do say you don't want to leave them in here for too long. So once they're green, you do want to pop them out and put them away. That's fine, but I wanted you to see what they look like. The green is very, very bright, by the way, so if you put it in a dark room, that'll really light up. The red is not so bright. It's not too bad, but just be aware of that. This is almost an alarmingly bright green LED. Overall, I really like the setup. Simple charger setup. Just plug the USB-C in and just go. You can plug it in anywhere, even a cigarette lighter. I do like the batteries themselves. I like the name POWEROWL. They are 28 milliamps. Again, that's good and beefy. They will hold lots of juice there. I'm not going to run them through any kind of magical test because I don't really care about all those tests. When push comes to shove, if the battery lasts a long time and it charges up well, that's all I care about. I have tested these batteries. They do work well. I'm very impressed with these, and it's highly recommended.